Hello friends, good morning and welcome to Easy English Jabalpur channel. We will see two different phrases today, $1 million and $1 million. We will see how we can use these two phrases in a sentence. When you say $1 million, you talk about an amount. You have to add S on the end of the dollar. So let's take an example. He invested $10 million in his new business. This is how you can talk about this phrase. Now let's take $1 million. $1 million is used with a noun to describe a noun. You don't have to add S after dollar in this phrase. Dollar is used in the form of singular over here. You can say the company's new product has $1 million innovation, or Mr. Sharma has bought $1 million home for his child. So when you describe a noun, you should say $1 million. When you talk about an amount, you should say $1 million. So friends, I hope you have understood these two phrases and now you can use it in your day-to-day life. Have a nice day. Thank you.